Hey little farmers, it's Farmer Jason and Holly here. Are you guys ready for a fun farm adventure today? Me too, so let's go! Well, little farmers, do I have a big surprise for you. And that is we have a new animal here on the farm. That makes me want to do the new animal farm dance. And do any of you guys know what kind of animal we got today? Let's see. Let's see. We have lots of goats here already. Yeah. We have a couple of emus. We have 2 donkeys. What else? What else do we have here on the farm? Oh, we have lots of chickens and roosters. We have plenty of geese and plenty of ducks. We got our buddy Thomas the turkey. We also got our buddy Scott the peacock and Snow White. Oh, we have our pigs, Miss Loretta, the Gus Bus, and Peaches. Well, let's see. What farm animal am I missing that we have here on the farm? Let me think. Well, of course we got Miss Holly, our farm dog. Oh, I know what it is. I know what farm animal I forgot. And that is our cattle. We have Miss Mildred and we have Mr. Moody, Big Moo Man, our big black and white cow. And of course, Miss Mildred is our solid white cow. But little farmers, we may have got a new cow here on the farm. Let's go investigate and let's see if we did indeed get a new cow on the farm. Y'all, come on. Why, hello, goat gang. How you guys doing today? We got Mr. Tip. We got Miss Laura right here. There's Miss Fifi. Hey, Fifi. Hey, girl. Oh, look at Big Top with his big beard. And of course, there's Miss Bootsy. There's Miss Paris back there. I see you, Fifi. Yeah, I see you, girl. Way back there in the back right there. That's Bo Peep. Have you guys seen a new cow? Have y'all seen a new cow around here? I heard that we may have gotten a new cow, so I thought we may go check it out. You know what, little farmers? I love cows. Do you guys like cows? Yeah, I love them too. And do you know what sound a cow makes? That's right, a cow goes moo. Okay, Tip. So, you gotta tell me, have you seen the new cow? Let me ask you this. Do you even know what a cow looks like? Here, let me show you a picture. See that picture right there? That's a cow. Have you seen that? Have you seen any animal like that around here? Okay, well, if you do see one of these, let the little farmers and I know, okay? Thanks, buddy. And man, are the roosters talking today. Boy, they're talking. Whoo! Let's see if they've seen a cow. Hey, Roo Gang, have any of you guys seen a new cow around here? As you know, we already have Moody and we have Mildred, but I heard that there's a new cow here on the farm. Okay, he hasn't seen it yet, but if you do see one, please let the little farmers and I know, okay? Thanks. Okay, little farmers, a few of the goats over here haven't seen the new cow, and Tip hasn't seen the new cow, and of course, the roosters, they haven't seen the new cow either. So let's go over here on this side of the pasture on the farm, and let's see if any of these goats have seen the new cow, and we're gonna ask our emus Nugget and Goldie if they may have seen a new cow. So let's go. Hey, Bo Peep. Hey, have you seen a new cow around here? Not Mildred and not Moody, but a new cow here on the farm. Well, okay. Well, keep your eyes peeled, and if you do see one, let me know, okay? Okay. We're gonna go over here and ask Nugget and Goldie if they have seen the new cow. Maybe they've seen something that no one else has. All right, let's go. Hey, Mr. Nugget. Hey, buddy. Hey, Mr. Nugget. Hey, the little farmers and I are trying to find the new animal here on the farm. Rumor has it we have a new cow on the farm. Have you seen the new cow, buddy? You haven't? Well, okay. If you happen to see the new cow, let us know. We would love to meet her. So Nugget has not seen the new cow. So let's ask Miss Goldie. Hey Goldie, y'all see Miss Goldie over here? Hey Miss Goldie, I have a question for you. Have you seen a new cow here on the farm? You haven't? Okay. Well, if you happen to see a new cow, please let the little farmers and I know, okay? We would love to meet her. Thanks, Goldie. Okay, guys. Well, the goats haven't seen the new cow. The emus haven't seen the new cow. The roos over there at the barn haven't seen the new cow. So we're gonna keep searching until we find the new cow here on the farm. Right, Mr. Top? That's right. Mm-mm. Oh, you're such a sweet boy. Yes, you are. You are such a sweet boy. Oh my gracious, you're so sweet. Yeah. Okay, buddy. Okay. Okay. I could just sit here and pet on you forever, but we have a cow hunt that we have to finish. All right. So our farm is fairly big, so that cow could be anywhere over here. We have lots of pastures here. So we're gonna walk over to this side of the farm and let's see if we can find the new cow. We're gonna find this new cow, I just know it. Okay, I see two pretty big animals over here, but I don't think they're cows. And believe it or not, one of them's black and white like Moody, and the other one's white like Mildred, but they're not cows. These are our two big boy goats. And do any of y'all know what you call a boy goat? Let's think. If you said buck, you are correct. Our boy goats, they are called bucks. And we have two big ones. The white one you see right here, that is Big Mo. But let's go see if we can find the other buck in this pen too. Oh, I see him. Here he is right here. And his name is Big Joe. Hey, Big Joe. So we got Mo and we got Joe. Hey guys, I got a big question for you big goats. And that is, have y'all seen a new cow here on the farm? Or better yet, have y'all even heard a new cow here on the farm? Do y'all know what a cow sounds like? A cow goes moo. No? Okay. Well, if you happen to see a new cow, let the little farmers and I know, okay, Mo? Okay, Joe? All right. Well, these two big boy goats, they haven't seen the new cow. But let's check next door with them over here. There's some animals that live over here that may or may not have seen the cow as well. And I can hear them. Y'all hear them? Do any of y'all know what makes that sound? Or who lives next door to the big boy goats over here? That's right. Pigs. Hey there, lovely Loretta. How are you doing, girl? How are you doing? So this is our pig named Lovely Loretta. And this is Loretta's best buddy right behind me. His name is the Gus Bus. Well, Loretta, rumor has it that there is a new cow here on the farm. And so the little farmers and I are exploring the entire farm to see if we can meet the new cow. And was wondering if maybe you or the Gus Bus have seen a new cow here on the farm. We would love to give the new cow a super warm welcome. Well, Loretta, if you happen to see a cow, a new cow, not Mildred and not Mr. Moody, please let me know. In the meantime, you have a great day. I'm gonna check with the Gus Bus and see if he's seen a new cow. Hey, Mr. Gus, I've already asked Miss Loretta, have she seen or met the new cow? Because I heard we have a new cow here on the farm. And I was wondering, while you're eating, you don't have to stop eating, but I was wondering if possibly, have you spotted anything new here on the farm whatsoever? Not yet? Okay. Well, we'll keep looking. In the meantime, I'm gonna give you a big old hug. Yeah, I know how you like hugs. Oh, Gus. Oh, Mr. Gus. Y'all look at Gus's hair. Do you know pigs had hair? Look at this. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Loretta has hair too. Look at here. Y'all see Loretta's hair? Look at there. That's so cool. Okay, you two, the little farmers and I are going to continue to search this entire farm until we find this new cow. In the meantime, we're going to fix you guys a nice waller. How about that? So if you don't know, pigs love a mud hole, also called a waller or a mud waller. And it's just kind of just a big mud puddle, just a giant mud puddle. And so the pigs will get in it and they'll lay in it and they'll cool themselves off and put mud on them, especially when it's warm outside, because pigs have a hard time sweating. So they don't really have a way to cool themselves off real well. So that's why they love these big mud puddles called wallers. So let's make them one. And then when we get through with that, we're gonna continue our search for the new cow here on the farm. All right, let's cut the water on. There we go. Let's get them a good mud waller going here. What you think, Loretta? What you think, girl? Is that a good mud waller right there? I think Loretta loves it, y'all. Look at Loretta. You see her using her nose right there? She's actually rooting. That's what that's called. And yeah, I must say, lovely Loretta likes this mud waller right here. Oh my gracious. Oh, Loretta, you just slung mud all over me. Y'all look at her nose where she was rooting. Can you see it? Look at there. She's got that mud on it, on the top of it. A pig's nose is really tough and strong. And they use it to dig with, basically. They turn the dirt over and they look for stuff like grubs and worms and roots and or anything they can eat. And also they use it to dig holes like this in the ground to create a mud waller. Oh my gracious, Loretta. Well, okay, you enjoy your mud bath, and in the meantime, the little farmers and we're gonna keep searching for this new cow here on the farm. Love you, girl. Okay, so we've asked the pigs on this side of the farm, we've asked the big boy goats on this side of the farm, and nobody over here has seen a new cow. But we're not done searching. We're going to keep on searching until we find her. And I think next up is the group of animals over here. They may have seen the new cow. And that group of animals lives in this pasture. So let's open up the gate and get in this pasture over here, and let's ask them if they've seen anything new here on the farm. But before we go over there where this group of animal lives, look at this beautiful rose. Isn't it just gorgeous? And it smells so good. Mmm. I love roses. Do any of you little farmers like roses? Ooh, do any of y'all happen to know what color this beautiful rose is? Let's think. That's right, it's pink. And the bees love it, as do the butterflies. Ooh, I see a bee now. Y'all see that bee? Well, okay, little farmers, let's continue on and let's go check with these guys over here. And I bet you already know who we're going to go see. That's right, the chickens and our guard goose cheese. Our chickens live over here in the egg mobile. But let's ask them if they have happened to see a new cow here on the farm. Okay, chickens, I got one question. Have any of y'all seen a new animal that sounds like this? Moo! No? What about you, Cheese? Cheese, have you seen a new cow here on the farm yet? No? So the chickens and the guard goose cheese claim they haven't seen a new animal either. Well, okay, chickens, y'all enjoy the rest of the day. And in the meantime, we're gonna continue our search. Right, Cheese? That's right. Well, Holly, so far, we've asked several of our farm friends here on the farm if they have seen or heard a new cow. And so far, no one has. But you know what, Miss Holly? We're not giving up just yet. We're going to continue to search and search and search until we find this new cow. All right. Are you ready? Yeah, me too. Let's go. Well, I can think of one animal that we did not talk to this morning over here at the barn. Now, we talked to two other pigs, Lovely Loretta and the Gus Bus. But I think there's another pig here on the farm that we can ask. And do you guys know which pig that is? That's right, Peaches. We have to go find Peaches and see if she has seen a new animal here on the farm. If anybody knows, it'd have to be Peaches, right? That's what I think. But the thing is, we've got to find Peaches first. And she could be anywhere over here at the barn. But I believe with your help, I should not have a problem finding Miss Peaches. Oh, Peaches. Well, I thought Miss Peaches might be in this barn stall but I don't see her. Maybe she's outside in this stall. No, I don't see Peaches over here either. Well, we're gonna keep looking for Peaches. All right, where is Miss Peaches? Has anybody seen Peaches? What? What's that? You saw Peaches? Where? Over here? No, not over there. Over here? I don't see Peaches over there either. What's that? Behind me? It is Peaches. Peachy! The little farmer saw you and found you. Peaches is out here sunning in the sun, isn't she? Well, Peaches, we're not gonna take too much of your time, but we have to know something. I have heard that there is a new animal here on our farm that came to live here. And so the little farmers and I are out exploring the farm, trying to see if we can find the new animal. So we want to know, have you seen a new animal here on the farm? You haven't. Okay. Well, if you happen to see a new animal, one that you do not recognize, please let us know, okay? And in the meantime, you continue to sun away out here in the sun, okay? All right. Well, I just knew if there was any animal here that has seen a new farm animal, it would be Peaches. But we're not giving up, are we, little farmers? We're gonna continue our search here on the farm until we get to the bottom of this and find that new animal that is here on the farm. Ooh, guess what? I see a couple animals that we haven't asked yet. Their names are Honey and Jessie. Do any of you know who Honey and Jessie are? That's right. That's the donkeys. And we haven't asked the donkeys yet. But they're way over there in that pasture. So let's walk over there and visit the donkeys, Honey and Jessie, and let's see if they have seen anybody new here on the farm. Come on. We have to go out this gate and down this hill. That's where Honey and Jessie are. And maybe, just maybe, they have seen the new animal. It looks like Honey and Jessie are hanging out with the goat gang. Hey goats, we're gonna go talk to Honey and Jessie. Maybe they've seen the new farm animal here. Why, hello, Miss Honey. Well, hello, Miss Jessie. How are y'all doing? So I got a question to ask you, Miss Jessie. And you too, Miss Honey. Have y'all seen or heard a new farm animal here? Not yet? Well, that's okay. That just means that me and my buddies, we're just gonna keep on searching until we find this new farm animal. Let me get a hug, Honey. Yeah. Let me get a hug, Jessie. Thanks, Jessie. Okay, little farmers, we have asked the goats, we have asked the donkeys, we have asked Snow White and the roosters, we have asked the chickens and our guard goose Cheese. We've even asked the big boy goats on that side of the farm and Gus and Loretta, the other pigs, along with Peaches the pig. Then we asked our emus, Nugget and Goldie. Now, let me think, is there an animal here we haven't asked yet? if they have possibly seen a new cow here on the farm. Honey, can you think of that animal? Let's think. Do you guys know what animal we're missing that we haven't asked yet? Oh, honey, why didn't we think of this to begin with? We haven't asked the cows, Mildred and Moody. So let's go over to their pasture and let's go ask the cows and see if they have seen a new cow. Because if anybody's seen a new cow, it would be the cows, right? Okay. Their pasture's right here, and guess what? I don't see any cows over here. Look. There's no cows. There's no Mildred, and there's no Moody, which means they're way out in their pasture somewhere. Maybe I can call them and they'll come over here. And then we can ask Mildred and Moody about a new cow. Hey, Jesse, Mildred and Moody are not over here. I think they're way out in the pasture, so I'm going to see if I can call them up. And then we're going to ask them if they have seen a new cow. Oh, little farmers, and I'm right. There is Mildred and Moody out there in the pasture. Look how far they are. Look at that. They're way out there. So let's see if I can call them over here. Are y'all ready? Oh, Mildred, Moody, I gotta ask you guys something. Can y'all come over here? So I think what we're going to do is we're gonna put a little bit of feed in their feed trough. I bet that will get their attention. All right. Let's see what happens. Hey, cows. I got you a little bit of feed. Look, here they come. Hey, Moody. Hey, Mildred. I have to ask you guys something. Y'all come on. Okay, Mr. Moody, while you're eating a little snack, I have to know, is there a new cow on the farm? And you too, Mildred, have you seen a new cow on the farm? I think they're too busy eating. Look. I wonder if we're ever going to see this new cow. What's that? You see the new cow? Where? Behind me? Oh, there's the new cow. Well, hello there. We did it. We found the new cow on the farm. And guess what? Her name is Tater. Why, hello, Miss Tater. I am so glad that you're on our farm now. And I bet Mildred and Moody are happy that Tater's here too. And since we got a new cow here, how many cows do we have now? Let's count. We have 1, we have 2, and we have 3. We now have 3 cows on the farm. And look at the size difference. Moody's really big. Mildred's like a little bit smaller than Moody, so she's like medium size. And Tater is a little bit smaller than Mildred, so she's like small. So we have small, medium, and large cows here on our farm now. And look how Tater is a totally different color than Mildred and Moody. Of course, Moody's black and white, Mildred is solid white, and Tater is like red and white. Absolutely beautiful. Tater, I'm glad you are here, and it is very, very nice to meet you. Yes, it is. Well, you know what I think, little farmers? You know what I think we ought to do? We ought to go tell everybody that we talked to earlier today and let them know we found the new cow, and her name's Tater. Let's go. Oh, goats, guess what I found? I found and met the new cow, Topper. And guess what? Her name is Tater. So if you happen to see Tater, be sure to give her a good warm welcome here on the farm and tell her hello. I gotta go tell some more animals about Tater. Hey guys, the new cow, I found her and met her, and her name is Tater. So if you actually see Tater, y'all be sure to tell her hello and welcome to the farm. Look, there's the donkeys, Jesse and Honey. I gotta tell them about Tater. Hey Jesse, hey Honey, guess what? I met the new cow on the farm, and she's red and white, and she's a little bit smaller than Mildred, and you know Mildred's a little bit smaller than Moody, and you'll never guess what her name is. Her name is Tater. Yeah. All right, I got a lot more animals to go tell about Tater. So you and Honey have a wonderful day, okay? And if you see Tater, tell her hello, okay? All right. I know you love your loves. Yeah, I know you do. And I love you too, Jesse. Yeah. All right. So the goats know about Tater. The donkeys know about Tater. While I'm over here in this pasture, I'm right next to, guess what animal? The emus. So I have to tell Goldie and Nugget about Tater. Hey Goldie, hey Nugget. Guess what? The little farmers and I, we found the new cow. We did. And her name is Tater. Yes, Tater. So Nugget, if you see Tater today, be sure to give her a warm welcome to the farm, okay? Because sometimes being somewhere new can be a little scary. Okay, guys, you have a wonderful day. I got a lot more animals to tell about Tater. Y'all come on with me. We gotta go on this side of the farm and tell Cheese the Gargoose, the chickens, the big boy goats, and our other pigs, Gus and Loretta, about Tater, the new cow here on the farm. So come on, let's go. Why, hello chickens. So guess what the little farmers and I found today? That's right, we found the new cow. The one we were asking everybody about. We actually found her. And her name is Tater. So if you happen to see Tater, y'all tell them, welcome to the farm. We're so glad you're here, okay? Cheese, did you hear that? We found the new cow. Her name's Tater. Why, hello, Mo. Guess what? The new cow, we found her. We did. She's a beautiful red and white cow. Yeah, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna go tell your buddy Joe too, okay? Guess what, Big Joe? Guess what? We found the new cow, Miss Tater. We did. And she's absolutely beautiful. Yeah, a beautiful red and white cow. So if you see Miss Tater, tell her hello, okay? Yeah. And I think Miss Loretta wants to know about Tater too, because we can hear her from here, right? That's right. Hey, Loretta. Guess what? We found the new cow, Miss Tater. Yes, she was actually over there with Mildred and Moody the entire time. How about that? Gus, did you hear that? We found the new cow. So if you guys happen to see Tater, tell her hello and welcome to the farm. Okay, little farmers, there's one animal we haven't told about Tater, and that is Miss Peaches the pig. So let's go tell Peaches about Tater. And also, I have a special treat because Peaches has her own book, and I'm gonna read it to all the animals. I think that'd be fun, don't you? Me too. Well, y'all, guess what? Peaches is sleeping. So we're gonna let her sleep, and when she wakes up, I'll tell her about Miss Tater. But I don't want to wake Peaches up. That would not be very nice, would it? No. So let's go read the animals Peaches' book. Peaches, Peaches. I think it'll be lots of fun. Okay, Peaches, when you wake up, we'll tell you about Miss Tater. I really do think that the goats and the donkeys are going to enjoy this book, and whoever else comes out to see us. Hey guys, hey Tater, I told everybody on the farm about you. I did, so everybody knows you're here, and they're going to give you a warm welcome when they get to meet you. But in the meantime, I'm going to go read a book, Peach's book, to the goats and the donkeys. And if y'all want to come over here and listen, you're more than welcome to. But glad you're here, Tater. Hey guys, hey donkeys, hey goats. Peaches has her own book and I'm gonna read it to you guys. I think you'll love it. All right, it's called Peaches, Peaches. Peaches is a pig who lives on a farm. She's loved by all and even has her own barn. She doesn't like to roll in the mud or travel the world's beaches. She just wants to sit and eat her favorite food, peaches. Peaches loves peaches. She eats a whole lot. Nothing tastes better. They really hit the spot. But one fateful night, Peaches was getting ready for bed. Time to get some sleep, she stretched and yawned. Except when she woke up, all her peaches were gone. Peaches searched far and wide. Where are they? Where could they be? She only could think one answer. Someone stole them from me. Peaches thought long and hard and made up her mind. I have some peaches that I need to find. The first place Peaches went was to her friend Moody. He's a big handsome cow. He's so big that whenever Peaches sees him, she can't help but say, wow. This was serious business. Those peaches needed to be found. Moody, have you seen any of my peaches lying around? Sorry, Peaches, I have not seen them. I've been here all day. I promise I didn't eat them. I prefer grass and hay. Peaches the pig made her way through the patch of zinnias and past an old tree. Oh, where could my peaches be? Next, Peaches went to see Honey the donkey. She's a sweet, kind-hearted gal. Honey's an animal that Peaches is proud to call her pal. Honey, have you seen my peaches? Did you take one or two? Of course not, Peaches. I would not steal from you. Since Honey didn't know where the peaches were, Peaches walked over to her bud Tipper. He's the silliest goat you'll ever meet. He even likes to jump on trampolines. Isn't that neat? Tipper, stop hopping around. You're not a bunny or a frog. Are you hiding any of my peaches inside that log? Sorry, Peaches, I don't have any of your food here in my pen. Maybe your peaches got carried away by a strong gust of wind. That's impossible. They're not feathers, they're a fruit. I'll find my peaches if it's the last thing I do. Peaches waddled away more determined than before. That's when she spotted Tucker the cat sitting by the door. Tucker is a farm kitty. She enjoys sunbathing and the fresh air. When Peaches saw Tucker, she interrupted her nap and yelled, "Someone stole my peaches, and that's just not fair." I didn't take your peaches, but I heard Scott the peacock found one in the yard. And wherever your peaches went, they couldn't have gone far. Peaches ran as fast as she could to take her peaches back from Scott. That peacock thinks he can steal from me? I think not. When Peaches found Scott, he was parading around with something in his beak. That's when she demanded, "Scott, give me back that peach." "I didn't know you liked peaches," Scott said. "I was just tossing it around and playing a game." "How could I not like peaches, Scott? Peaches is my name." Peaches asked Scott the peacock, "Where did you get this peach? Did you take it from my barn?" "Nope," Scott answered. "Jason and Brooke dropped it. They also dropped this yarn." Jason and Brooke? They are as kind can be. It doesn't make any sense why they would take my peaches from me. Peaches walked to the house and knocked on the front door. Hey Jason, hey Brooke, what did you take my peaches for? We wanted to make a cobbler but didn't have any fruit, and we thought, well, darn. Then we remembered that you had all these peaches inside your barn. Cobbler Peaches grinned from ear to ear. Why didn't you say so? Pass a plate over here. Peaches the pig ate all her cobbler and got her belly fat. After all, she was happy. She rolled on her back. Things turned out as great as they could. So until next adventure, y'all be good. Hey guys, did y'all like Peach's book? I sure enjoyed reading it to you guys. I did. Okay, little farmers, let's go see if Peaches is still asleep. She may be awake now. No, there she is. She's still sleeping. So we're not gonna wake her up. I'll tell Peaches when she wakes up that we got a new cow on our farm and her name's Tater. What a fun day we had on the farm today, Miss Jessie. We got to talk to all the animals on the farm today. And we met a new cow that lives here named Tater. Yes, plus we got to read a book. How much fun was that? Oh, it was so much fun. Oh my. Well, little farmers, I hope you enjoyed today's video. And little farmers, always remember to never touch, pet, or feed any animal that you do not know, unless your favorite adult says it's okay. Right, Jessie? That's right. But until next time, y'all have the best day ever, and always remember, y'all be good.